Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the brand new Bloodlust palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am so excited for this swatch video. So if you want to see swatches, just keep watching. I will also be talking about how they swatched at the end. And yeah, so if you want to see the swatches, just keep watching.
Understand what this makes me think of.
but let's talk about the swatches. First off, I want to say that just from swatching them, Vile Serpent, which is that blue, and the black Executioner do stain a bit to the black, not as much as the blue, surprisingly enough. Okay, first of all, I want to talk about Beautylish, okay? So I ordered the palette, the lip bundle, and the gloss bundle off of Beautylish, and Beautylish messed up my order and didn't send me any of the glosses. And 2 glosses were already sold out, so they only refunded me. And yeah, so I had to go buy the other 2 glosses elsewhere, so that's going to take forever to get. So far I wasn't super happy when I got these just because of that. But after looking at this palette, I mean, it's really pretty, and it kind of brought me some joy again. Purple is my favorite color, so of course, like, I am in love with this whole aesthetic. I mean, I love it. Like, this box alone is stunning, and I am going to keep it. I'm going to display it somewhere. I have no idea where, but it's going to go somewhere. I mean, you guys can even see that my blanket is purple. It looks pretty nasty, but it's not. I did want to show you guys the little indentations on some of the shades since, you know, they'll wear off eventually. I can't for the life of me tell you what they are. Imprints? I mean, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to start up here. So we got normal, and then we got some fun ones. So we have this gauntlet, basically, and this heart. And then we have High King has a scepter, which is totally making me think of Sailor Moon, which I got in the mail. I got the kaleidoscope wand today, the Gashapon. And then there is a crown for Blood Queen, of course. And Vile Serpent has a snake, while Betrayal has a guillotine, which I didn't notice until I was looking at the palette and I was like, holy crap, that's a guillotine. To be fair, I'm super pasty, so the first shade doesn't show up very well on my skin at all. This is layering it a few times, so it'll work good as like a base color, but yeah, it doesn't show up very well on me. I will be doing a video comparing all of the Jeffree Star palettes I own to this one, and I will be swatching basically all the purple shades to tell you guys if you need this palette or not, since I know a lot of people were iffy on this, so I kind of just want to do like a lot of videos on it to tell you guys what I think. I did do an unboxing of the entire collection, which I will link down below. It was funny because I was so excited about unboxing it, and then I found out that Beautylish didn't give me the glosses, so that was fun. Majesty took quite a bit of applying to get it to show up on my skin since I am so fair, but the other shades all swatched really well. This one does not look good on camera at all. This is the most unique glittery shade ever. I absolutely love it. It makes me think of like my Glit Extreme Frost, actually. The mattes were okay for the most part. They built up nicely. The black with sparkles was pigmented. This red is like a satin sort of formula. As you guys can see, this shade was a little bit patchy, but overall, all of them swatched pretty okay. I don't know, you guys. What do you guys think of it? I definitely think there could have been more purple tones, but that being said, I do really like the tones in here. The only tone that I'm like, why are you here, is the like goldy green shade. Like, why is it in here? Like, it's just kind of like, I don't know why that shade. That's the only shade where I'm like, no, please go away. But everything else is really pretty. You get 18 shadows, which is pretty good. This retails for $54 US, I believe. It is very pretty. I do think there could have been more purple in here, but I think overall this is pretty, but I wouldn't call it a purple palette per se. I would say magenta at best. Which, don't get me wrong, I love it. I love most of these. It's just, I'm a purple lover, so I would have loved more purple. Before people comment, yes, I have crappy nails. I only just started to grow out my nails, so, you know, deal with it. I at least try to paint them, and I have Holo Taco glitter on top, so, you know, deal with it. I mean, I have to deal with it. Y'all can deal with it too. I really liked the shade Take the Crown. That was absolutely stunning. It was the second shade that I swatched, and oh my god, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to use all these on my eyes. I will be doing a eyeshadow palette comparison video of Bloodlust with all my other Jeffree Star palettes, so keep an eye out for that. I will also be swatching the lip bundle and the glosses when I get them. Beautylish screwed up my orders, so I didn't get the glosses I ordered, but whatever. Overall, I do think this is a pretty palette, and I think if you like the colors in here, that the formula is great swatch-wise. Obviously, swatches do not dictate how it's going to work on the eyes, but I usually like the Jeffree Star formula, so I am quite excited for these. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hi! Did you come to join the Jeffree Star party? Thank you. You're gonna get makeup on your nose. Do not step. Okay, good. Thank you for not stepping on the makeup. Thank you. Do not. Okay. Bye.
Hi, how are you? Up. Up. Come on. Come on. Up. Up. Come on. Come on.
Effie, what are you doing?
Being a bitch.
I don't want to see your ass. Can you? No, don't you. She's gonna try to get comfy.
Lay down.
Oh, you bitch.
Good girl.
Yeah, no, that's not.
No.
Is it not comfy? Go somewhere else.
We already got Chloe over here.
Lay on your mom's makeup.
Effie.